Hello and welcome to our channel. Let's start with the most interesting and life-changing story, The Boy Who Sold Flowers in the Rain, a story from The Road That Never Ends, written by Arjun Charan Sahu. It was still dark when Ravi opened his eyes. Not because the sun had risen, but because the sound of rain had found a way through the broken roof again. The drops fell near his sleeping mat like whispers of warning, "Get up, the day won't wait." Ravi was just 12. But life didn't care about age. He lived in a cramped basti behind the railway station. His school bag had turned into a plastic bag full of marigold garlands. His lunchbox, a leftover newspaper with parched rice, if he was lucky. His classroom, the streets. Every morning, before the first train arrived, Ravi would be there, barefoot, soaked, balancing a basket of yellow flowers on his head. His goal was simple: sell at least 20 garlands before noon. 200 rupees. That would cover his sister Rani's school fee for the week. Their mother worked as a maid in 4 homes. She wanted Ravi to study too, but life didn't leave space for that dream, only duty. One rainy morning, Ravi stood outside the station gates, shivering, watching people rush past with umbrellas and frowns. His flowers were wet, his hands numb. But he didn't move. He couldn't afford to. A man in a raincoat stopped, surprised. "Why are you standing here in this storm?" he asked. Ravi looked up, blinking through the rain. "If I go home now, my sister won't go to school tomorrow." The man paused. He didn't know what to say. He bought every garland. But Ravi didn't smile. He just turned and ran, straight home, where Rani sat with an empty notebook and a broken pencil. He handed her the money, and a small packet of bindis he'd hidden behind his shirt. That night, under the same leaking roof, Rani studied under a dim bulb while Ravi stitched another garland. He never told anyone about the day he had fever but still went. Or the time 2 boys stole his basket. Or the time he sold 1 garland, and walked 5 extra kilometers just to find another buyer. He never stopped walking. That's what made him different. He didn't fight life by shouting. He fought it by showing up. Every single day. He could have stolen. He could have begged. He could have cursed life. But he chose to walk. And he's still walking. Because some roads never end. But those who walk them with purpose, they don't just survive. They inspire. This is one of the many stories from The Road That Never Ends, stories that keep you going, brought to you by Arman Classes, Jharsuguda, an online coaching platform where real life teaches deeper than any classroom. We believe that struggle isn't a full stop. It's just a comma in your story. Keep walking, keep learning, keep believing. Keep watching and subscribe our channel for new videos every time.